Hello. In this video, we will learn about NLTK. NLTK is basically a Python library. If you have ever ridden a bicycle in your life, you know that we can attach some add-ons to it, such as a horn or a light. These things do not come with the bicycle. We can add them as an extra. These are the libraries that search engines and others use. They have many features. They are used in conjunction with NLP. Through this, the text is converted into words or sentences. First, we have tokenization. Through this, the text is broken down or split into words or sentences. Next is parsing. This involves analyzing the grammatical structures present in the text. Following that is classification. In this, the text is placed into different classes or groups. Then we have stemming and lemmatization. This basically reduces words to their base form or root form. After that is tagging. In this process, the parts of speech are assigned to every word. Next is semantic reasoning. This involves understanding the meaning and the relationship between the words. Let's look at tokenization again. If this is our sentence, then in tokenization, it will be broken down word by word. Cat separately, sat separately, on separately, the separately, and mat separately. Next is text cleaning. In this process, punctuation is removed. Unnecessary words and extra spaces are also removed. This is the original text. Now the dot has been removed because it was unnecessary. Next is stemming and lemmatization. Here are the words provided: running, runs, and ran. In the stemming process, the extra words attached are eliminated and the word is brought to its base form. What is the base form of running? Run. What is the base form of runs? Run. And for ran, we don't change the base form, but we eliminate the extra words that we add according to the sentence structure. Next is lemmatization. In this, the forms are brought to the first form. There is also a stemming process involved. By removing extra words, everything is brought to the first form. Next is vectorization. As you know, the machine's base language is 0 and 1, so the text is converted into this format so that the machine can understand it. Next is machine learning training. In this, the clean and vectorized data is used to train the models. For example, the models for ChatGPT or Gemini were trained for many months and years. After training, they were brought to the public. Why is NLTK beneficial for us? Through it, we can organize and understand text. These are things that might be necessary for your work, or if you want to understand such concepts, then you can install Python or use Google's online Python tool, Google Colab. You can apply these processes and see what happens to your content. First is organizing and understanding text. Here, you can gather customer reviews, perform extraction, and check the sentiment. You can see whether a customer review about a product is positive, neutral, or negative. If you need to see the percentages, you can determine how much is positive, how much is negative, and how much is neutral. Additionally, you can create powerful NLP models. You can create chatbots that answer your questions and converse with you. You can also use it for preparing data for machine learning. Let's say if you want to create a bot similar to ChatGPT, you can use this for machine learning. Finally, for educational purposes, if you want to test how NLP works and gain hands-on experience, you can use it for that purpose.